How to disable WhatsApp link device on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to disable WhatsApp link device on a mobile phone. So for that case, first of all, make sure that the application is completely up to date. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log into your WhatsApp account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to this page. When here, go ahead and tap on the three dot and go to link device. In my case, I don't happen to link my device. So when you have actually linked your device to some other devices, when you have actually linked your account to some other devices, then you'll be able to see the particular device that you're logged in. So press on it and you'll be able to find this option as logout. When you do that, you'll have successfully disabled WhatsApp link devices in mobile. And likewise, in order to secure WhatsApp, what you can do is you could go ahead and set up two-step verification or enable password unlock. So for that case, go to three dot and go to settings. Here once again, go to privacy, scroll down a bit and go to app lock, and just make sure to toggle the button, and then you can use your biometric to confirm it, and in that way you could go and unlock your WhatsApp. Likewise, and the step number 2 is you could go ahead and set up two-step verification. So here you need to go to the option once again, that is privacy and security, and scroll down a bit, and then you could go to here you could go to account and tap on two-step verification, and make sure to turn on two-step verification, enter in the verification code and all that, and you'll have successfully secure your WhatsApp. So in this way you can disable WhatsApp link devices on mobile.